Hi and welcome to a new video. This time I'm quite excited because we're gonna try something really cool. I have been experimenting a little bit with some new AI tools and this one is named Creatify.ai and it's really good. And I have done some ads with this and it's working really good. And I will show you how to create ads with it in a simple way, of course, because you can explore this how much you want. But let's start and just do something. And here you come into Creatify.ai, and one of my favorites is this one, asset generator. You just click on it, you choose Sura 2, and you choose 9 by 16 and 12 seconds, and the image to video. And the only thing I write here is make me an UGC ad for this product. For this time, I have chosen this product, a tumbler, just so we can do something. And what you want to do is take a photo of it, and you can open it in Canva or something and make it really clean. So it's really just a product of the photo. No, a photo of the product, nothing more. And you upload it here, and you just click generate. And then you get an ad like this. And it's crazy. It's really good. What I do is often that I click one more time, I generate multi ads, and then I use them, of course. I don't use this clip directly as an ad, but I can take a lot of this when I then generate my ads, when I edit them. And that's the same with my next one I really like. If we go here, is view all tools, product videos. And here I have prepared a little bit because otherwise we have to stay here and look at AI creating things. That's not so fun. So the first one here is product, and then you have the avatar and a talking video. The product video I did was this one. I just wrote make me a cool product video. And you see what you can do if you have some good prompts or if you just give it more information. This was the only thing I wrote. And on the avatar, I only wrote a girl in the gym using the tumbler. You see, it's crazy. And on the talking video, I just wrote something like, this is my tumbler. You see, and I went, of course, on the niche of gym or something like that. So you see what you can do. You can like, if of course I would have done this also in a gym. I would just wrote make a cool product video in the gym, and then I could have taken down all these three clips, and I could have done a great ad with them. And of course, this you can do multiple times and do over and over again. And then this is my two favorites, the asset generator and the product video. But you can do a lot. You can do AI shorts, of course. If you have a long form video, you can do shorts. You can do image ads. The only thing you need when you do image ads like this is you just take your product page and paste it in, and they do image ads for you. This is also an easy way to do ads. You just also put in your product page, and they will do a great video ad for you. And then you have the avatar video. And here you can choose, you can upload an image of an avatar and make it to an avatar, or you can choose existing avatar. And they have a lot of avatars and all ages and everything. So here you can also choose which one you want, and you can do longer videos when they are talking. And of course, here is just your prompt. If you have a good prompt, and that ChatGPT or Cloud or something can help you with, and then you will get a great talking video. And then they have a lot of other things. They have like, you can see social UGC ads. You can just change it to your product or your text, things like that. Also image ads. They have a lot that you can just do with your product. So it's a lot they have on this website. I think it's really, really good. And let's see if they... Oh no, let's see. Yeah, here we have the ad number 2. Yeah, it's really, really good. And then you, of course, need to edit it by yourself, like I said. You should never run straight off AI ads. I don't think that it's good, because what I do mostly of the time is that I make a script on Cloud or ChatGPT or something like that. I make a script what I want, and then I do like 8 seconds of the video. I choose one avatar and I do it 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, or something like that. And then I do some product things, and also the same avatar like I showed you here. Let's see, where did we have it? Yeah, and then if I should have done this, I will of course have the same avatar here, and after that I take down all the clips and I edit them to one ad, and have one story, of course, and everything, and a call to action, and everything like that. So you can really, really use this to make your own ads, and the limit is only your imagination, what you can do with this. You have everything here. You have ad clones, you have video editors. You can also check market trends, where you can search for products like Tumblr. Let's see if they have that. Oh, no, maybe we got some Tumblr. Let's get Tumblr cups. And you can choose format if you want image and videos. And here you can see the most hyped ads that's running right now. And then you can just also clone this ad. And this is crazy. You can clone the ad with your product. And this works really, really good. I have done it. So it works really, really good. So you see, you can do a lot, and you can do whatever you want on this tool. Is really, really great, and I recommend it also. Of course, it's a paid tool, but that all AI tools nowadays are paid tools. So this is really good. I think there are some others out there that's also good, but this is the one I have experimented most with, and of course I will show you others in the coming videos, but this one I really recommend if you want to do ads really quick. And of course, if you want to try it out, I will leave a link below. And if you want to learn how to do this by yourself, I have released a full video course that will teach you how to go from finding your product, to testing your product, to scaling your product, and to build a brand around your product. And that's really, really important. If you don't build a brand, sorry, you won't make it in 2026. So that was all for today. It was a quick video today, and I will of course leave the links below, like I said, and some other great links is there also, of course, and I will see you in the next video.